Welcome to my channel, my cutie pie.
Good afternoon, Nishtha.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Nishtha Jasper.
What is your nickname?
Nishtha Ratu Kuyarani Murisani Kartiya Mamani.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is 4 March.
Are you a boy or a girl?
I'm a girl.
Who lives in your family?
Grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, brothers, uncle and Nishtha.
Okay. What is your grandfather's name?
My grandfather's name is Mr. Suresh Kumar Jasper.
What is your grandmother's name?
My grandmother name is Mrs. Khushbu Jaipur.
What is your father's name,
My
Nishtha?
father name is Mr. Robin Jaipur.
What is your mother's name, Nishtha?
My mother name is Mrs. Priya Jaipur.
Okay. Do you like pets, Nishtha?
Yes,
Which is your favorite pet?
kitten.
Okay. Which school you go to?
I go to Green Honor School.
Which class you are in?
I am in nursery
What do you know, Nishtha? What do you know?
Nishtha, alphabets, numbers, poem, reading, writing, toys, alphabets, and poem.
Okay. What clothes are you wearing now, Nishtha? What clothes are you wearing?
Sweater, frock, inner, benign, lower, and the pant. Inner. And the
What is the color of your frock?
grey.
Okay, and
Grey, white, pink, white.
what prints are on it? What design is on it? What prints are on your?
Pineapple, strawberry, unicorn,
Okay. Now tell me, which is your favorite color?
bus,
Nishtha, which is your favorite color?
pink nahi, white,
Which is your favorite color?
white,
Tell me 5 things of white color.
teeth, tongue, teeth, eyes, cloud, Jackson flower, towel,
Nothing else? Okay. Can you tell me 5 things of red color?
apple, tomato, letterbox, rose, strawberry, carnation, tulip,
Nothing else?
cherry, cranberry,
Okay. Tell me few things of yellow color.
yellow, mango, banana, sunflower, sun, my sofa, lemon.
Okay. Can you? Okay. It's 6. Okay. Can you please tell me few things of? Nishtha, please look here. Can you tell me few things of black color?
Eyes, hair, eyebrows, eyelashes, rose crow, slate, I don't know.
You don't remember? I taught you blackberry.
Blackberry.
Okay.
Blackberry मुझे पसंद रहता है.
Okay. Can you tell me few things of blue color?
Ice. नहीं.
Blue color.
Sky, Kingfisher bird, orchid flower, pen, mica, peasant. 6.
Okay. Tell me your body parts.
Face, eyes, ear, nose, lip, mouth, tongue,
Okay. Don't put your finger.
hair, head,
It's forehead.
forehead, shoulder, chest, back, stomach, elbow, cheek, chin, eyebrows, eyelashes.
Okay. Where do you live, Nishtha? Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in Prayagraj. I live in Civil Line, Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, which country we live in?
I live in India.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Mr. Narendra Modi.
Who is the President of India?
Mr. Ram Nath Kovind.
Okay, national bird?
नहीं मम्मी कौन था?
Okay, who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh?
हाँ वो.
Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh?
मिस्टर आदित्य आई होगी.
Okay.
वो नहीं कौन था?
Okay, Nesta, wait. I will ask you the questions. National bird?
Peacock.
National animal?
Tiger.
National fruit?
Apple.
National
Mango.
flower?
हम एप्पल बोलते हैं.
Okay, okay. A national flower?
Lotus.
National game?
जनगणना.
Nesta, listen to the
Okay.
question properly. National game?
Hockey.
National anthem?
जनगणना.
Don't move your leg.
जनगणमन.
Okay, can you tell me 5 domestic animals?
Sheep, dog, cat, camel, pig, donkey, rabbit, goat,
Okay, can you tell me few wild animals?
monkey, elephant, giraffe, deer, bear, zebra, kangaroo, rhinoceros, tiger, lion, hippopotamus,
Can you tell me few water animals?
whale, clownfish, shark, crab, jellyfish, tortoise, megagunga, walrus, sea lion, seal.
Okay, and okay. Can you tell me, Nista, look here. Who is there? Look here. Can you tell me few birds?
Kingfisher bird, pigeon, eagle, sparrow, owl, parrot, crow, nightingale.
Can you tell me few flowers?
7. Lotus, lavender, orchid, marigold, rose, sunflower, tulip, gila, daisy, dahlia, lily, jasmine, carnation.
Okay, can you tell me few shapes?
Circle, square, triangle, oval.
Can you tell me few fruits?
Apple, orange, mango, banana, pineapple, strawberry, papaya, lychee, pear, custard apple, pomegranate.
Can you tell me few vegetables? Vegetables.
Tomato, potato, capsicum, onion, lemon, beet, ginger, nutrition, capsicum, pumpkin, peas, mushroom, carrot, cauliflower, chili, capsicum.
Okay, can you which is your favorite fruit? Which is your favorite vegetable? Favorite vegetable.
Tomato, peas,
Favorite vegetable.
tomato, peas.
Live. Tell me few good habits.
Get up early to the morning. Brush your teeth, bathing, comb your hair, pray to God, go to school on time, have food on time, wash your hands, play outdoor games. अपना काम खुद करना चाहिए वो.
Do your work yourself.
You work yourself. Timonies. See for time.
Okay, very good.
Salga.
Okay, tell me few vehicles. Tell me few vehicles. Nashta, look here. Tell me few vehicles.
Gas vehicles.
Yes. Put your finger on your mouth. Put your finger on your mouth. Tell me few vehicles. Nashta, tell me few vehicles.
Air transport, water transport, road transport.
Okay, tell me two vehicles of air transport. Tell me two vehicles of air transport.
Helicopter, space shuttle, aeroplane.
Tell me two vehicles of water transport.
Ship, boat, yacht.
Tell me two vehicles of road transport.
Abacus.
Nashta, two vehicles of what road transport?
Road transport.
Yes.
Car, truck, train, motorcycle, train, truck, car. Scooty, bike, motorcycle.
Look here. Look here.
Train, truck.
Put your remove your hand. Okay. How many days are there in a week?
7 days.
Name them.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
How many months are there in a year?
12 months.
Name them. Name them.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Okay. How many seasons are there in a year?
4 seasons.
Name them. Name the seasons.
Rainy season, winter, autumn, summer.
And which is your favorite season?
Autumn. Autumn नहीं, winter में clothes पहनते हैं.
Woolen clothes.
Woolen clothes पहनते हैं. Oh my God.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? Nishtha, what are your hobbies?
Dancing, reading, writing.
What are your favorite festivals?
दिवाली, होली, दुर्गा पूजा.
How you celebrate them?
न्यू क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं और पेटों को करते हैं.
When do we have breakfast?
Morning,
When do we have lunch?
afternoon,
When do we have dinner?
night.
Okay.
मम्मा पूरा चढ़ी करा दो.
What do you see in the sky in the morning?
Sun, cloud,
What do you see in the sky at night?
cloud,
What do you see in the sky at night?
moon, star.
What is your class teacher's name?
My class teacher name Anu ma'am.
Who flies the aeroplane?
Bye.
Sorry?
Pilot.
Pilot. Who drives the car? Who drives the car?
Diver.
Who sails the ship?
Captain.
Okay.
Captain.
Where does the fish lives? Where does the fish lives? Where does the fish lives?
Water.
Who cooks the food? Who cooks the food?
Chef.
Who stitches the shoes?
Cobbler.
Who brings letters? Who brings letters?
Postman.
Who stitches the clothes? Who stitches the clothes?
Cobbler.
No, it's tailor.
Tailor.
Okay, who fits
Tap.
who,
Tap and
who
light.
no, who fits lights and fan?
Who fit light and fan?
Yes.
Plumber.
No, who fits lights and fan?
Electrician.
And who fits tab? Who fits tab?
The plumber.
And who take care of plants?
Gardener.
Okay. What must you say when someone gives you something? Nishtha, what must you say when someone gives you something?
Thank you.
What must you say when you hurt someone?
Sorry, I'm so sorry. Sorry.
What must you say when you want something?
Please, I'm so, please.
Okay, what must you say when you want to go to the washroom?
I am teacher to go to washroom.
Please, may I go to washroom?
Please, may I go to washroom?
What must you say when you want to drink water?
Please give me water.
What must you say when you enter the room? When you enter someone's room?
No, I don't know.
You should say now, please, may I?
Please, may I come in?
Yes. Who gives egg?
Hen.
Nashta, sit straight. Sit straight, leg inside.
And
Who gives wool?
ship.
Who gives milk? Who gives milk?
Cow.
Okay, now tell me the opposites. Writing,
Writing. Reading.
happy,
Happy. Sad. Happy.
clean,
Sad.
clean,
Dirty. Clean.
strong,
Dirty.
strong,
Strong.
open,
Open. Close.
left,
Left. Left. Right.
Yes.
Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left.
fast,
Right. Fast. Snake. Slow.
pretty,
Ugly.
good,
Bad.
morning,
Night.
day.
Night.
Okay.
Say.
Huh? What?
Say.
What say?
Say with hand.
Shake hand.
Shake hands. Shake hands.
Oof, Nishtha. Now tell me the animal sounds.
Okay.
Birds. Birds.
Crow. Crip. 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 Crip.
Lion.
Road.
Cat. Dog.
Bark.
Elephant.
Trumpet.
Mouse. Tiger.
Growl.
Horse.
Me.
Snake.
Hiss. Hiss.
Please.
Hiss. 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 Hiss.
Snake. Acha, bee.
Bus. 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 Bus.
Cow.
Moo. 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 Moo.
Now tell me the animal babies.
Okay.
Cat.
Kitten. Kitten.
Dog.
Puppy.
Hen.
Chickens.
Sheep.
Lamb.
Cow.
Calf. Cub.
Pig.
Piglet.
Duck.
Duckling.
Bear.
Bus.
Bear.
Calf.
Horse. Look here, Nishtha. Horse.
Me.
No, horse. Baby is called? What?
I don't know.
You don't know?
आप
Which is the
बताइए।
dancing
आप
bird?
बताइए।
It's foal.
Four.
Which is the dancing bird? Nishtha?
Peak.
Which is the dancing bird?
Peak.
Peak? Peacock.
Peacock.
Which is the singing bird?
Nightingale.
Tell me 5 states of India. Tell me 5 states of India.
Daddy.
Sit down. Please sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Tell me 5 states of India. Leave it. Tell me 5 states of India.
उत्तर प्रदेश खड़े होके उत्तर प्रदेश गोवा राजस्थान कोलकाता दिल्ली
And which is the capital of India? Which is the capital of India?
दिल्ली
Which animal have feathers?
all feathers
Which animal
all
have feathers? Which animal have feathers?
all feathers
All birds have feathers.
all birds all feathers
Who give? What does honeybee gives? Leg down. What does honeybee gives? Nishtha, please sit properly. What does honeybee gives? What does honeybee gives? Nishtha, what does honeybee gives?
honey
Okay. Okay, we are done now.